We hope you enjoyed our course and now you feel confident enough to use Excel for every aspect of your life, either for creating a home budget or for creating a sales chart for your boss.
Of course, we have barely scratched the surface of what Excel has to offer. If you want to dive even deeper, we will soon release an advanced course for Excel, so stay tuned.
By the time you will watch this, it will probably have been released anyway, so don't forget to check it out. Of course, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to contact us.
From Anita
And from Cornelius,
keep excelling in everything you do.
see you!
See you.